Tingnan mo, Sis Maya, sobrang daming ibon. Kaya bumili ka na ng ganito. Magsabi ka kay kay Oy. Tingnan mo, nag-enjoy talaga sila. Nag-taking a bath. Oh, wow. Enjoy, guys. La. Tingnan mo, Sis Maya. Hindi kasi klaro pag Yan, ganyan na lang. So, they're enjoying, guys. Mas maganda talaga. May camera malapit dyan. Kasi kitang-kita talaga sila. Look at that lagi. Hala, parang nakakatuwa. Tapos may squirrel din. Gusto atang tumalon doon.
Squirrel's gonna get up there too.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So, maybe scared. So, the squirrel decided not to go. Oops, Allah, di ba ang dami? Sobrang dami. So, the squirrel is decided. Let's see. Oh, blue jays there, nay.
Oh.
Wow, that's a beautiful bird. You can't see. Guys, so everybody's coming in. Let's see. The blue jay. Did you see that? A lot now. So everybody's coming. Oh, blue jays in my garden. So wala pa. And then I got a beautiful flower in here too. So there. So let's see. So my garden, guys, is still okay. A lot of birds over there. Yep, I think they're eating my watermelon or the green beans. So let's find out. So some of the color of the trees in here, guys, is changing, but we don't have a lot. That's only one over there. You can see, right? So everybody's enjoying in the garden. You will see a lot of birds over there. You see something? Oh, see? Bunch.